How do we manufacture a moving floor? In fact, there are four parts. The first part, that's the slats. So we have aluminium slats, or steel slats, or slats in other materials. Most of the time, there are standards, they have leak tightness, and they have a certain resistance against the weight of the products that is laid above. The second part is the frame, the support frame with gliding elements and support beams. The third part are the walls. The third part, this is all the surroundings of such a buffer. In the trailer, it's the trailer itself, but if it's a stationary application, we have a real buffer with silo walls, and we might even have a metering device. Last but not least, the fourth element is the hydraulic circuit with the cylinders and the transmission of the hydraulic force into the slats.